Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best bike travel bags and cases. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss bike travel bags and cases, which are best sold and achieved top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. CyclingDeal Airflights Travel Hard Case. Investing in a hard-shell bike travel case can go a long way in protecting the bike, mainly if it is regularly transported. Traveling more often will mean using the best bike case for airline travel. And my recommendation is to use this bike travel case from CyclingDeal, considered one of the most durable bike hard cases a biker can use. One of the outstanding features of this product is the high-quality materials it uses in the construction process. Using an Evoc material and a thickness of about 1 cm, this bike travel case provides high impact strength with excellent abrasion and tear resistance properties. It is very sturdy and will let you pack the handlebars without taking off the aero bars. There is a middle layer for cushioning and an excellent pocket to fit the metals nicely. Another feature that impresses me is the high-quality protection it gives to the bike. It is built with a massive hard-shell storage design to protect and secure the bike during travel. It comes with 2 durable padded wheel bags to secure the wheels with a hastening strap. There is also a storage pocket for the pedals and other small bike parts. The frame can also be secured in the main compartment with a fastening strap to protect all the parts once inside the bag. Also, this best bike travel bag is equipped with specialized features to make traveling a lot easier. For one, it comes with high-quality wheels to make the transport easy, while the soft handles on the side and the top will help to make the movement of the bike travel case so much easier. The bike case is light and is perfect for constant traveling. Everything fits into the case well with its well-designed storage space. If you can, using a bubble wrap for the extra protection of all the parts can also help, but rest assured that this bike travel case can help protect your bike during travel. Number 2. CamGo Bicycle Travel Case. In looking for the best bike bags for air travel, the biker must find something that will fit his bike. Different bike travel bags offer various storage options for different types of bikes. It is the responsibility of the biker to find the right one for his bike. For foldable bikes, this bike travel case from CamGo is what you need. It can accommodate folding bikes the size of 14 inches to 20 inches. If I compare this product to the first bike travel case I reviewed earlier, there is a big difference between the two. For one, this bike travel bag does not come in a hardshell case. This product is a regular bike travel bag that can accommodate a folding bike only. The design is also different, as well as the materials made. Otherwise, these two bags can both serve their purpose well. Quality-wise, this bike travel case offers durability and toughness in keeping the bag protected all the time. It is made with high-intensity nylon to provide durability, lightness, and waterproofing features. There are several straps made inside and outside to secure the bike inside. Specifically, 2 Velcro straps are facing the bottom and 1 facing the seat post. These straps are enough to secure the bag and keep the bike safe inside. Also, the bag is heavier duty than I expected. The surface is built with solid webbing, which helps enhance the bag's strength in coping with the burden of carrying the bike. It also comes with adjustable handles and a side pocket for additional storage space. The size of the zipper is more extensive and is easy to open or close, making it easy to put inside or load the bike. This bike travel case will provide enough space to fit different types of folding bikes. It comes with a pair of fabric carrying handles that can be used in both of your hands. However, I feel that the length is too short to carry or hang on the shoulder, especially with long people. This bike travel case will work best when traveling by land or by air. Number 3. B&W International Bike Case. This B&W bag is an entry in this list that I am eager to review because it showcases something that every buyer wants for a perfect bike case. It is an interlocking case that ensures extra security. The self-reinforced curved structure is suitable for road and gravel bikes, mountain bikes, and downhill bikes. The best feature of this bike case is its impact-resistant, abrasion-resistant, and tough, even at low temperatures. Also, this bike case is so hassle-free when walking, as it is designed with 4 easy rolling wheels. The 2 are freely rotatable, while the other 2 fixed wheels guarantee smooth transportation. The 4 handles are also durable and handy, and the straps on wheels were put together perfectly. Never worry about a broken wheel. Its sophisticated and modern design gives out the finest quality with the topmost functionality. I could never get enough of this waterproof bicycle box that I can take even on rainy days. Heads up. There are no more bike boxes like the B&W International Bike Case. It is extremely lightweight and has an incredible lifespan. However, this bike case is somehow called oversized in some airlines, so you might have an issue with the limit of luggage when traveling. What we liked. Interlocking bike bags and boxes from B&W made of self-reinforced curved material for great versatility. Highly impact resistant, abrasion resistant, tough and durable. Number 4. Aophire Folding Bike Bag. This bicycle travel bag is also loved by bikers, as this folding bike bag applies to almost all road models in the market. It is made with high-quality materials, a heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric plus 300 grams non-woven fabric, which is thick and sturdy. The separate compartments inside separate the bike and the front wheel to prevent scratches from a possible crash. This Aophire International Bike Box is equipped with handles to minimize our burden and make traveling on the road and downhill bikes easier. Depending on our bike size, we may have to get rid of various components. It also has adjustable shoulder straps, which makes it convenient to carry by hand or shoulder. Its high-quality dual zippers are also smooth and durable. The 3/4 position of the zipper design makes it more convenient when loading and unloading folding and road bikes. The front zip pocket outside the bag is also a nice bike tool accessory. Heads up. It is a convenient folding bike bag, and I am so happy with it. However, this bike bag doesn't offer much protection, unlike hard cases or a used bike travel case. So, I need to wrap my gears and pedals before loading. What we liked. Bike carrying bag suitable for almost all folding and modern mountain bikes. Made of high-quality fabric, thick and sturdy. Handles that make the bike box comfortable and easy to carry. Number 5. Evoc 100,407,512 Bike Travel Bag Pro. Another item on the list has one of the great bike travel case reviews. It saves extra weight for riders who push their airline's weight limits. This Evoc bike travel bag adopts a hybrid structure, which combines the advantages of a hard bag with the ease of use of a soft bag. It protects our bicycle so well as its support elements provide maximum protection with minimal weight when traveling by air. I also found out that this Evoc bike travel bag is suitable for most off-road, all-mountain, endurance, free riding, downhill, 26-inch, 27.5-inch, 29-inch, gravel road, and modern mountain bikes. It has a capacity of 285 liters, 2 wheel compartments, reinforced forks, smooth wheels, and multiple handles. The Evoc bike travel bag is foldable for easy storage. I can remove plastic bars from the slots around it. Specifically, it has 2 on every end and another 2 over the wheel pockets. Riders who only want to ride a bike or 2 should not look elsewhere. Heads up. My only concern about the Evoc bike travel bag is that it is the second most expensive bike travel bag in the test class, especially when talking about value. This is a huge change and certainly an investment. However, it is truly understandable given its excellent versatility and quality. What we liked. Hybrid constructed international bike box, i.e. elements provide protection with minimal weight when traveling. Collapsible bike cardboard box that guarantees easy storage. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.